Akshay Khanna, truly one of my favorite actors, and we see so little of you.
Maybe that is what is beautiful, that he comes once in a way, and when he comes, he really creates something unfathomable as an actor. I really appreciate your acting, and this is honest truth.
I've always liked Akshay. When I see him, I think he's too cute. He's adorable. He's so sweet, such a good human being, and he's such a wonderful actor. अक्षय खन्ना इज द राइट पर्सन टू गो टू हॉलीवुड क्योंकि उसकी परफॉर्मेंसेस जो होती है माइंड ब्लोइंग
दिल परदेसी नूं तैनूं नित दा रोना पै जाऊगा
When the trailer of Dhurandhar dropped, people expected the usual conversation. Big names, big screen, big hype. Ranveer Singh, Sanjay Dutt, R. Madhavan, Arjun Rampal, a massive star cast, right? But the internet was talking about only one man, the quietest of them all, Akshay Khanna.
عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي.
One look at him as Rahman Dacoit and social media exploded. People said his few seconds in the trailer had more weight than minutes of other actors.
रहमान डकैत ही बहुत बड़ी कसाई नुमा होती है। तो एनिमल का बॉबी देओल या धुरंधर का अक्षय खन्ना? अक्षय खन्ना एनिमल बॉबी देओल देखिए।
बॉबी देओल 15 मिनट का रोल था उसमें, इनमें पूरी फिल्म
भी खा गए।
हाँ पूरी फिल्म खा गए
भाई बिल्कुल अक्षय खन्ना की एक्टिंग दिल जीत गई, सबको उन्होंने ओवर रेटेड कर दिया। अक्षय खन्ना कैसे लगे? बढ़िया बलोच का खून है, तमीज से बहाना।
And this wasn't the first time. When his look as Aurangzeb and Chhawa was revealed, people didn't even recognize him.
इसे दोबारा उसी वक्त पहनेंगे जब उस सांबा की चीखें पूरे हिंदुस्तान में गूंजेगी। जहाँ जहाँ भगवा रंग नजर आए उसे लाल कर दो।
They thought, who is this actor? And then come the shock. It was Akshay Khanna. And in 2025, he has become the internet's favorite villain. A man whose stillness feels more dangerous than the most actors' loudest performance. But he wasn't always this Dhurandhar, right? In fact, his rise began with a fall. A Bollywood star who everyone believed would be a superstar, but instead, his own career started dying when he was still alive. Newspaper wrote him off, media forgot him, and people said he wasted his potential. He is finished and he can't survive. And the painful truth, they were not entirely wrong. Yes, he did fall. Yes, he disappeared. And yes, he disappointed people. But what no one knew was this: the man they thought was drowning was quietly learning to breathe underwater. Because legends don't rise early, right? Legend rise correctly. And the biggest twist, the man everyone counted out returned years later as something the industry wasn't ready for. A silent monster, a calm assassin, a psychological storm, a real life Dhurandhar. His name, yes ladies and gentlemen, Akshay Khanna.
जो वादा किया गया उसे भूलने की गुस्ताखी मत करना। रहमान डकैत की दी हुई मौत बड़ी कसाई नुमा होती है।
And yes, if you are new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button and like this video, and let's dive to the early wounds, the father, the hair, the insecurity of Akshay Khanna. He was born into the home of legendary actor Vinod Khanna, a family of glamour, respect and cinematic legacy. But at the age of 5, Akshay experienced his first emotional fracture. His father walked away from everything: fame, films, family, to follow Osho in America. A 5-year-old can't understand philosophy. He only understands absence. Years later, he began disappearing. He described it as like a pianist losing his fingers.
For me, it was like a pianist losing his finger. At 19, 20, it's devastating.
That insecurity followed him everywhere. Auditions, shots, close-ups, posters, and eventually his confidence. But he didn't back down. He still stepped into Bollywood, and destiny gave him a taste of both extremes. His debut, Himalaya Putra, failed, but his performance shone through the cracks. Then came Border, a national phenomena, became the emotional pulse of the film. Then come Tal, romance at its purest. Then Dil Chahta Hai, youth cultures, holy scriptures, right? Then Akshay, as Sid, became India's introverted soul on screen. Relatable, honest, unapologetically real. His versatility exploded from Jeetu in Hangama to the ruthless Rajiv in Race to the sensitive lover in Tal. He could do it all. He was rising, he was respected, and he was unstoppable until he wasn't. One by one, film began collapsing. Mohabbat, Lawaris, Aapki Khatir, Diwangi, LOC, Kargil, and many more. Even when he was have great performances, the box office rejected the films. Producers stopped calling him, scripts stopped coming, and audience moved on. And then came the final blow, a severe back injury during Gali Gali Chor Hai. He couldn't even ride a scooter in the scene. Pain became his daily routine. It was too much. Akshay Khanna vanished. 4 years, no film, no interview, no public appearance.
One person I'd like to do jasusi on, it would be Akshay Khanna. I want to know where he's disappeared. Don't you think?
No, absolutely.
Such a good actor.
He's a very good actor.
And he's just disappeared.
In fact, Mr. Vinod Khanna has recently said that he'll be coming back very soon.
Oh, that's great because I enjoyed watching Akshay Khanna and I don't know where he's disappeared suddenly.
I think he's a very good actor. That's a
absolutely.
very valid.
People said he is in rehab, he has health issues, he's mentally struggling, and he is quitting. But Akshay said later that no, I just had personal issues, and when the time passed, I came back to work. His silence had become misinterpreted, but he was not hiding, he was repairing. He was recognizing his mind, he was choosing who he wanted to become. He was choosing a rebirth. 2016. After 4 years, he returned in the show, sharp, controlled, and mentally dangerous. Then came Mom, a performance so mature, so tightly held that people said he acted with his breath. Then came Ittifaq, complex, twisted, psychologically layered, but nothing, and I mean nothing, prepared the industry for Section 375. Akshay Khanna entered the courtroom not as a character but as a weapon. Every pause was a threat, every line was a blade, and every expression was precision. Critics wrote, "This is not acting, this is domination. This was not a comeback, this was a warning." Then came the shocker, his look as Aurangzeb in Chhaava. People couldn't identify him. A cold, calculating face, a royal cruelty, a transformation too deep for comfort. The internet said if this is Akshay Khanna, he's on another planet. And then the Dhurandhar trailer arrived. Ranveer Singh was the hero, but who was everyone talking about? Akshay Khanna, the villain, the threat, the shadow that steals the light. When his tear-filled eyes appear for a second, the internet froze. When he stands against a crowd, the silence gets louder. When he looks at the camera, the villain becomes the protagonist. And people tweeted, Ranveer may be Dhurandhar, but Akshay is the man who tastes blood. This is the Akshay Khanna of today, a legend forged from pain, rebuilt in silence, and unleashed with precision. A man whose screen presence is heavier than the star cast around him. A man who doesn't chase stardom because he chases depth. most actors want their face on posters, their name in big fonts, their stardom untouchable. But Akshay Khanna, he wants only one thing: to become a better actor. Not a bigger star, a better storyteller, a deeper performer. While others ran toward the spotlight, he sat in the shadows waiting for the right moment to walk out and blind the world. His father left fame for peace. Akshay left noise for craft. That is the difference. That is maturity, and that is legacy. He stayed away from the parties, award shows, social media and noise. But when he enters a frame, he burns it down. He is that quiet student who says nothing all year and then tops every exam. This is why today he is the GOAT, the greatest of all time in controlled psychological performance. So tell me, did Akshay Khanna become legendary because he succeeded, or did he become unstoppable because he failed? And if you don't want to miss deep journey like this, from psychology to power to transformation, then make sure you subscribe to Mindset Unlocked so you never miss the next chapter. And if you haven't seen the videos on Putin and Delhi's AQI, then watch them after this. They connect to the story more than you think. Thank you and Jai Hind.